What if I told you that you have access to your Akashic Records right now and you can receive access at any time? Welcome back to the Patricia Misakian channel, where spiritually aware women like you get real talk about soul development, building a spiritually led legacy business, and manifesting all that you desire. Hello, I'm Patricia Misakian, and today I'm going to answer the question that many people that come to us have. And the question is, can anyone access the Akashic Records? Are you really that powerful, just as you are right now? And the answer is yes, yes, yes. As human beings, we have the tendency to make things a lot more difficult than they need to be. Accessing your Akashic Records is simple, but overthinking brains make it seem like mysterious and very, very, very complicated. Not here, not here. Connecting with your records is just connecting with your intuition and trusting the message that this intuition brings to you. Your intuition, the more you develop your intuition as you work with your Akashic Records, is going to easily decode the message that you receive. Of course, that brings us to the next question. Now, how do you connect and develop and enhance your intuition? Once again, the answer is simple. You just need to be present in your mind, body, and spirit and allow your intuition to be heard. Oh, is that really that easy, Patricia? Absolutely, yes. So let me share 3 ways to clear the pathway to your divine connection and let your intuition be your greatest guide. Step 1, notice how you feel and resist nothing. You might believe that you have to be high vibe all the time. You have got to think happy thoughts 24 hours a day. No. You just have to be slow and notice everything that you notice, what you feel and everything. This is not true at all. In fact, if you work too hard to deny the negative situations, thoughts, or emotions, they will keep showing up. And you probably heard the saying, whatever you resist, persist. So connecting to your intuition, the first place is starting to notice how you feel at all times. And the first step is exactly that, bringing awareness to what is happening in your life and not denying it. To notice how you are perceiving everything. Your life situations aren't here to torment you. All they are here to do is bring you a message, an invitation to shift your perspective and what you want to create start opening up. The more you try to deny the message or whatever is happening, the more is going to be strong. So simply hearing what is being said to you and not resisting any of it. It is one of the best ways to begin strengthening your intuitive channels. Step 2, discovering how your intuition communicates with you is crucial. There is more than one way to hear your intuition, the whispers of your soul. And I say whispers because in the beginning it feels like a gentle whisper. The more you practice, the stronger it gets. And some of us will receive the information through feelings, while others is through visions. Some people have an intuitive knowing, and others even receive information through their sense of smell. I call them clairs. Now, how do you receive these hits of your intuition? What I suggest for you to start out is focusing on one way that communicates with you the most, the hearing, the seeing, the sensing, or the knowing. And then learning to relax and allow that whisper to get stronger. The more you work your intuitive muscle through patience and trust, the more it's going to open up for you. So it's important to stay with it and receive everything that has to say to you. And sometimes it comes out like this, a slap on the head, right? But listen, and everything will change for you. The third step is trusting in what you receive. When I first began developing my intuitive gifts, my ego stepped in and caused a little bit of doubt for myself. But with the practice, I learned to relax, receive, and let my adult mind give way more to a childhood perspective, the childish perspective. And I learned to accept everything that I received with curiosity and gratitude instead of doubt right away. And then what happens is life starts showing me the signs and the confirmation of what I was receiving. And that channel became stronger and stronger. And that is what happens when you let go of the ego and put your soul in charge. You get out of the way and you let source guide you. And it takes practice. However, it is very, very rewarding. It might require that you let go of a lot of the ideas that your mind and ego always had. But the more that you practice, the stronger your intuitive gifts will become. And the key to connecting with the divine abundance of your Akashic Records is trusting your intuition. Is through the pathway. In our trainings, you learn both at the same time. So you allow it to emerge, learn to trust, and most of all, enjoy it. Because life is too short if you're not having fun, right? So learn to recognize your intuitive hits of all the forms, and then you trust that you're receiving just what you need in each and every moment. In the next video, I will be diving even deeper in how the Akashic Records connect you with inspirations, purpose, and joy, and the practical ways that you can use this practice every single day. Now, today I have a very, very special invitation for you to help you to develop your intuition. So, before that, make sure to subscribe for this channel, click on the bell so you get notified every time we have another powerful video for you, meditations or even healing sessions. And so the gift is right below, and it's to support you in develop or deepen your connection to your intuition. It's a free gift called Unlock Your Intuition 15 minutes a day. And it is one of the best ways to clear your intuitive paths so you can start hearing the whispers of your soul as you continue the practice, they're gonna get deeper and deeper. So make sure to look for the gift below, and I'm looking forward to see you in our next video or podcast. I love you, and I'll see you soon.